this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is Purple Christmas Elegance. Myself and my fabulous YouTube sister, Courtney, from Amethyst Adventure, is hosting this collaboration. It's called Purple Christmas Elegance. We know she's our purple girl. So when I wanted to do a purple collab, I know she was the only person I thought of. And she was perfect. Please check out her channel link in the description box and the link to the playlist where you can find everybody that's in our open invite today. Here's my tree. Yes, that's a box my husband made. We know him and his woodworking stuff. That's one of his. And this is the angel I made on a DIY for old time crafting. I added some white garland from the Dollar Tree going down the tree. Nothing exciting, and of course the angel has pearls and some lace on it, so that's our tree topper. Now we have to spruce this thing up a little bit. You know how we do it. It's called magic. This is what's going on the tree. Okay, here's our tree with the purple ornaments. I just evenly spaced them, and they were the shiny ones, and then the shiny, and it also had matte finish. But as you can see, our tree is very sparse, so it needs something to fill in the leaves. So I have some extra branches and a space here and there. So here we go. When you do your branches, spread them out. See how much more you can get? Just like with an arrangement, you can cut that apart and get pieces. With it being in your tree, you can spread it out and you get more fullness. Okay, here's our tree with the branches. As you can see, it made it look just a little fuller than it was. And it gave some more silvery shine. Just gave another texture to our tree. And I picked those up at the Dollar Tree. You can also put those up coming out the top of your tree if you like, but I'm not going to. We don't want rabbit ears on our angel. Okay, next we'll be adding our poinsettias and spacing those out through the tree. Okay, here's our tree with our poinsettias. As you can see, it's starting to fill in more. Next, we're adding Dollar Tree glam ornaments. Okay, here's our tree so far. It's getting a little fuller. Now we're going to add some snowflakes. These came from the Dollar Tree too. Here's our finished tree. I added the finishing touches, which was a silver butterfly, 3 white butterflies. I added a little more lace to make the angel look more drapey and more Victorian. And I added a little bit of flex tubing. Your last thing you should put on your tree is what you want to stand out. Whether it could be a sign, it could be some really nice ornaments that you like best. Whatever you want your tree to be the main focus should go on last. That way it's not covered up.